To subscribe to my channel, open YouTube, search Aitarini, open my channel, click on the subscribe button, then click on the notification bell and select all.
Hi guys, this is Tarini and you're watching iTarini. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about this perfume from the brand called Body Cupid, and it's in the variant Rose Out. Now you know what is a rose, but for people who don't know what is out, it's basically a type of wood which is pretty expensive, and I'm going to talk more about this product in the later part of my video, so stay tuned. Now first let's talk about its packaging. Now talking about its outer packaging, it comes in this white and rose gold box, cardboard box. On the back of the product they have mentioned few things about the product itself, caution, key ingredients, and guys, this is an alcohol based perfume. It's basically alcohol and water based perfume. So they have also mentioned the manufacturing and expiry date, its price and the quantity. Now this retails for 899 rupees for 100 ml of product, but don't worry guys, you'll get this at great discounts in amazon.com. so I'll be mentioning the links in the description box below, so do check it out. Now let's talk about the actual packaging. Now this comes in a glass bottle which is transparent and it comes with a golden lid. So this is the close-up, and what I like about this brand is that they don't mention unnecessary stuff on their product. Like, look at it, it's just simple to the point packaging, and this packaging is so good guys. Like, it feels super luxurious. Like, look at it, you can definitely put this with the rest of your perfume collection and it's gonna look stunning. Now since this comes in a glass bottle, it's not travel friendly, but I have an alternative for this, and I'm going to be talking about that perfume in my upcoming video. So to know about that product, you should subscribe to my channel. And this is a perfect gifting option guys. Like, if you are a woman or a man and don't know what to gift for your female friends, or be it any woman, this is like the best option, and it's pretty affordable. Its packaging also looks good, so this is like the best gifting option for you guys. Now let's talk about its fragrance. Oh my god guys, it smells like as if you're walking in a garden full of roses. It exactly smells like that. The fragrance is strong, but it's not like overpowering that it's going to give you a headache. It has a very pleasant fragrance, and almost everyone likes this fragrance, okay? Like, I'm very particular about my fragrances, and the moment I smelled this one, I was like, wow, this is gonna be my new favorite perfume. This has a very floral and sweet fragrance to it. The top note is of roses, which gives you like floral fragrance, and the next note is of oud, which gives you like a sweet and a cinnamon sort of fragrance, which is pretty good, okay? I bought this rose oud variant recently, and I'm in love with that variant. But I also have Secret Love and Sweet Passion flavors with me, and I bought these long time ago. So if you all want like a comparison of these three perfumes, then do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do it for you guys. Now talking about its longevity, personally I sweat a lot, like a lot, and for me finding the right perfume which smells good and lasts long is a task for me. And the first time I smelled this perfume, I was like, wow, this smells so good, and surprisingly it lasted pretty long for me. Now it lasted for around 4 to 5 hours for me, and then it slowly started fading away, but it doesn't fade away completely, okay? You can still smell the fragrance, and if you don't sweat a lot, then I guess it's easily gonna last for like 6 to 7 hours for you guys. Now I'm gonna give you all some tips to make your perfume last longer. Now what you have to do is spray the perfume on the pulse points. I'll tell you all what are the pulse points. It's the back of your wrist, here, then on your collarbones, back of your ear. Now these are the pulse points. Now just spray this product like this and dab it, okay, just once. Now I've seen most of them doing this wrong. What they do is they spray it, they just rub like this, and that's completely wrong. Now if you rub it in this way, it actually fades the product even more quickly than it would normally last. Instead, just dab it like this just once, that's it. And then also spray it here and here and on your collarbones, behind your ear. That's it. It smells so good, guys. Like, you should just feel it, okay? I can't express it. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. First of all, if you wanna buy these oud flavors, then it's gonna be really expensive, but you're getting such a good quality product for such an affordable rate, so it's a huge pro. And its packaging is super luxurious, and you're getting like a good quantity of product. Like, this is a lot of quantity, and honestly you don't need a lot of product, just 2 sprays are enough, and I don't even use like full pumps of it. So two sprays are more than enough, and it lasts really long, like at least for 5 to 6 hours. It's definitely gonna last 5 to 6 hours. And talking about its cons, honestly I just have one con about it, and that is the glass packaging, because it's not travel friendly. But obviously almost all the perfumes are made of glass, so I don't think that should be counted as a con. So yes guys, that's it for this video. If you all enjoyed watching this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to all. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram for more updates. Thank you.